There's a short list of car mods that don't make you look cool. They make you a target. These aren't urban myths or exaggerated cop stories. They're real, provable triggers officers scan for the moment they see your car roll up. I've spent 15 years in garages on traffic stops and talking to professionals who know which modifications scream, "Pull me over," from a block away. If you've ever thought a louder exhaust, mirrored tint, or a certain aftermarket light bar was just style, this video will change how you sleep at night and maybe save you a ticket, a hefty fine, or worse. Before we jump in, do yourself a favor. Subscribe to Care Xpert so you don't fall for another mod that costs you money or freedom. Watch until the end. I'll show the single mod that gets more cars impounded than any other and how to fix it legally. Stay with me. Your next customization decision could be the difference between cruising and a roadside nightmare. Hit subscribe and turn notifications on. You'll want every tip I share. Stick around because each mod I reveal comes with the exact reason police notice it, the real legal risk, and a mechanic-approved alternative that keeps your car looking sharp without inviting trouble. The last mod on this list is the one most people get completely wrong. Don't skip it. Number 1, extreme exhausts and loud mufflers. A booming, rasping exhaust might win you street brawler respect, but it also lights up every officer's checklist. Excessive noise is obvious. It's measurable and immediately flags reckless modification or tampering with emissions equipment. Beyond the ticket for noise, cops suspect removed catalytic converters or illegal baffles, which can lead to impoundment and heavy fines. Loud pipes also mask other mechanical issues you should know about, so you lose both safety and accountability. If you want presence without the problem, choose a legal performance muffler that meets local decibel limits and keeps emissions intact. Do that, and you keep the sound while avoiding the red and blue spotlight. But there's another visual mod that draws attention even faster than a cannon-like exhaust. Number 2, extremely dark window. Tint is practical. Privacy and UV protection until it's darker than the law allows. Officers are trained to notice illegally dark or reflective tints because they prevent identification and conceal activity. And many jurisdictions treat it as probable cause for further inspection. If you drive with near-mirrored or pitch-black glass, you'll be stopped more often for public safety checks, and you may be required to remove the tint at your expense. The sensible rule: match your tint to your local legal cutoff and keep a certificate if your tint is aftermarket but legal. That limits stops and keeps your interior private without making you suspicious. And while you're fixing visibility, beware of the flashy lights people add that seem harmless but aren't. Number 3, undercarriage and RGB lighting. Underbody LEDs and rainbow interior lights feel like personality, but at night they mimic emergency vehicle cues or gang-style signaling to officers. Blue, red, or alternating patterns are particularly dangerous because they can be mistaken for law enforcement or convey illicit intent. Even harmless white or single-color underglow has attracted extra stops when used aggressively. The easiest fix is to use subtle lighting that's strictly decorative and off while driving on public roads, or install it only for show events on private property. That way you keep style without suggesting you're impersonating emergency services or broadcasting for illicit attention. Next up, wheels and stance modifications. They look tough, but cops read them like a manual. Number 4, extremely low or raised ride height. Lowering or lifting a vehicle beyond safe, legal limits changes crash behavior and headlight alignment, and it's one of the first things officers note. A slammed car can have scraping parts that drop debris, while an overly lifted truck might block the view of plates or lights. Either extreme screams non-compliance with vehicle safety standards and often violates local ride height or bumper rules. If you want a stance without a citation, use adjustable systems that meet regulations and keep necessary clearances. Or opt for wheels and tires that alter the look without extreme suspension surgery. Get the look legally, and you won't get pulled into the inspector's lane. But style decisions aren't just about height. Some grille and badge swaps tell a different story. Number 5, fake police or official badging. Slapping on a security badge, a faux sheriff star, or any official-looking emblem is a direct line to legal trouble. Impersonation laws are strict because those markings can mislead other drivers and even coerce people. Even subtle decals that mimic service patches are red flags during a stop and can escalate an otherwise routine check into a criminal matter. If you like the aesthetic, choose clearly non-official, custom designs that read as brand or lifestyle badges, not authority. Designers make tasteful options that nod to classic service patches without crossing legal lines. That small choice keeps you out of court, but you'll still want to avoid another common visual mod that screams illegal race. Number 6, racing stripes, big spoilers, and performance trim. A huge spoiler and aggressive racing stripes broadcast that you might be modified for speed officers. Use that as reasonable suspicion for reckless driving, especially if your car's sound or behavior matches the look. It's not just about appearance. Exaggerated aero parts can be improperly mounted or reduce rear visibility, which creates safety concerns. You don't have to abandon the sporty look. Choose decals and functional, professionally installed aero parts that are homologated or proven safe. Keep modifications subtle and documented so you can show they meet standards if questioned. Style without deception keeps cops from assuming your intentions. Visual cues aren't the only giveaway. Your registration and plates matter too. Number 7, obscured, non-standard, or vanity license plates. Custom or relocated plates that obscure registration numbers, alter fonts, or mount plates at odd angles are immediate citation magnets. A plate that's hard to read at a glance looks like an attempt to hide identity and invites a stop. Temporary bracketing for aesthetics or relocated plates for show might seem harmless, but they violate laws in many areas. Keep plates in the factory position, use approved covers, and avoid novelty fonts that reduce legibility. If you must relocate a plate for bumper aesthetics, carry a clear written rationale and ensure visibility at all times. The plate tells a cop everything in seconds. Don't give them a reason to pull you over. And for heaven's sake, avoid the sketchy alarm and siren mods next. Number 8, aftermarket sirens, strobes, or blue-red emergency lights. Installing sirens or blue-red strobe lights is one of the fastest ways to be detained, arrested, or your vehicle impounded. Those devices are strictly regulated because they allow control over traffic and can impersonate emergency responders. Even incorrectly color-matched auxiliary lights inside the cabin can appear as active emergency lighting at night. The safe approach. Reserve these devices for authorized vehicles only, and if you need additional visibility, use amber or white auxiliary lighting that's legal and clearly non-emergency. Simple legal lighting upgrades exist for safety without crossing into impersonation territory. Lighting mistakes aren't limited to strobes. Audio mods can set off alarms too. Number 9, loud air horns, PA systems, and exterior speakers. Air horns and external PA systems are advertised for safety, but on a civilian vehicle, they're a major red flag. Very loud horns can be used to intimidate or mimic enforcement actions, and amplified speakers that face outward can violate noise and public order laws. Officers will assume potential misuse and investigate. If you genuinely need better signaling for off-road or agricultural use, install equipment that's strictly compliant and restrict it to private property or appropriate contexts. For urban driving, high-quality standard horns and internal speaker upgrades give you clarity without triggering suspicions. Your sound choices are as visible as your lights, and they carry legal weight. Finally, there's one mod that looks innocent but sends the wrong message every time. Number 10, smoked headlights, blacked out trim, and plate covers. Headlights or tail lights treated with film or tint, blacked out trim, and opaque plate covers are subtle tricks drivers use to achieve a stealth look, and they're incredibly risky. Dimmed lights reduce nighttime visibility and can violate safety codes. Blocked tail lamps mean tailgating drivers can't read your brakes. Plate covers obscure registration officers see these as deliberate attempts to reduce traceability and safety compliance. If you crave the dark look, use gloss black replacement components that meet illumination and reflectivity standards, and avoid any film that alters light output or plate legibility. A few cosmetic choices protect your privacy without making you look like you're hiding something, and that keeps you off the officer's radar. You've just seen the top 10 mods that turn style into suspicion, and now you know why they do. This isn't about killing personal expression. It's about understanding how law, safety, and perception intersect. Every mod I called out today can be done responsibly, legally, and tastefully. But done wrong, they cost you tickets, vehicle seizures, or worse. The real win is keeping your car looking unique while staying compliant and safe. If you plan modifications, document everything. Receipts, installation photos, and specs that show compliance when a cop asks. Being honest and prepared decreases escalation and demonstrates responsibility. As a mechanic with 15 years in the trenches, I can tell you the smartest builders are the ones who plan their look around legality, not around headlines. If this saved you from a future headache, hit like and share it with anyone planning mods. Subscribe to Care Xpert. I publish practical, legal, and mechanic-approved alternatives to every risky mod out there. Drop a comment with the mod you're thinking about, and I'll tell you if it's a green light or guaranteed trouble. Drive smart, customize smarter, and keep your ride legal. You'll thank yourself at the next checkpoint.